What time is it?
Cooking turkey time!
Reach in there and pull it out.
What is this?
It's turkey day.
And right now, you can save £50 per person.
I'm so hungry, I could eat a dog. Okay.
What? What? Chill chill เด็กน้อยเขาทำกันชิวเด็กน้อยเขาทำกันดูนะ
Give me that!
What you say sorry?
Sorry, nigga!
Stop saying it.
Beautiful boobies. They're so long.
Get out!
Your hair is missing.
I wish I could tell you what's happened to my hair and why it's missing, my love. It's gone.
And the hair said goodbye.
Yeah, the hair said goodbye a long time ago.
Takis and a donut.
Cookies in my ass. Why are you shaped like a green pepper? My dad's hair is so soft.
Is it?
On the back.
On his back? Okay. Alright, hey.
You look like a crab.
Thanks.
I fucking love you.
I don't freaking care.
I hate when you don't behave.
I hate when you gave me to Dad. It's confusing. Duh.
What?
Have I ever told you that I love your cooking?
No.
So why do you keep cooking for me? What?
Guess what?
What?
I love you.
And guess what, Daddy?
What, buddy?
I love Mommy.
Oh, I got a blue-haired one. Thanks.
Well, you don't have hair. Why does Mom have to go away? But who's going to play with you?
You. I always play with you.
No, in the night.
Why would we play in the night?
Because I saw Mama riding with you like this.
Oh my god, this is...
Ariana, you cannot have a boyfriend.
I can.
Who's your boyfriend's name?
DeAndre.
What?
DeAndre.
I'm gonna beat up your boyfriend. You can't have a boyfriend.
I'm gonna beat up you.
Whee! Whee! Whee!
Oh, jump.
Jake, why'd you stop? Jake, why'd you stop?
Look at that big mud streak. Oh my god.
Do it.
Babe, watch out. Okay.
Harry, do you support gay marriage?
Yeah.
So you're saying it's alright me and you get married?
Fuck no.
Come back, I want to marry you.
Get away from me.
I was joking.
You the gay shit.
I'm sorry.
Go, Kylie, go. Good job, Kylie. You're doing amazing.
Oh!
Rainy.
Oh!
I can't do it.
Hey! Yeah! I began to pass out. Then my head hit the wall. Boom. But I had a praying grandmother.
El indio que lo mata la flecha.
I busted the wall.
You got left, right, center. You got one. You already?
Daddy!
You already can't. Damn.
Dad!
Damn, that look like a Navy SEAL.
Instead of a beach whale. Bye-bye.
It's okay. Quit. You quit.
Yeah, I saw him about 6 months ago.
Look, he was driving that.
I think it was a motorcycle.
Oh God, he can't even walk with it. Holy shit, the way he just went in the bag. I can't.
Guys, I'm about to get a passenger. I'm sorry.
Chill, bro. Bro, what the
Oh, shit. Shit, get the fuck up, man. Put fuck down. Man, what that shit at? Get the fuck up, bro. Oh, whoa.
Ketchup, ketchup.
Oh my gosh. You're like me on the
มิลินไม่ได้เป็นไรกลัวโต๊ะหักขาโต๊ะมันไม่ไหวลูก
Peace.
Girl. Ow! Don't beat my hair. Day after day, seems like I push against the clouds. Whoever loved me, raise your hand. Kai, you don't love me, Kai? Thank you. sorry. It's like, cool, I'm sorry. Alright, bye. Sorry. What?
Waka waka oh Samira mia sangarewa così si saprica ok Samira mia oh Samira mia Samira mia sangarewa così si saprica Samira mia oh Samira mia
Yeah, y'all, crazy shit always happen to me. Look at this motherfucker right here, man. Bro, you trying to go in, man?
Huh? No.
You been asleep at the light, bro.
No, I'm not sleeping, dude.
Bro, yes you are, bro. Let me see your license and registration, man.
Dude, I'm not sleeping.
License and registration, sir.
Dude.
Got your license and registration on you?
I don't have it on me. Dude, seriously. I don't have it on me. I'm not sleeping. Well, I'm gonna pull over or what, dude? Come on, dude.
Get him! Get him! Get him!
You're annoying with my damn names.
Legally or illegally, we gonna get that money.
I hear that shit. We gonna get that money by any means necessary.
Boy, that don't make no sense. Y'all both trying to sound smart on here and y'all sounding real illiterate for the one time. Now that's just bad vocabularism. That's messing up my dyslexia.
Now, while you trying to come on here and humiliate him, you ain't even pronounce your words correctly. Oh, that is so pathetic.
Who you what? Who you staring at? Who are you? What's she actually looking at anyway? I know she's looking at me, so I'm looking back at her. Nah, it's not funny. I've got school. Nah, I'm not laughing. I've got school.
Say hi to a friend.
No. Whose friend is it?
Mine.
Okay, but who's it mean?
Sophie.
Sophie?
Uh-huh.
Actually?
Uh-huh.
You mean?
Yeah.
You mean? Sophie, hi. And I don't like you.
Are you having fun?
No, I'm not.
Mama, I am. I am.
Told you next time I see you have my motherfucking money.
Man, I said I got you.
You don't talk until he tell you to talk.
Indeed. Last time I seen you, you didn't have it.
I said I got you.
What did I just tell you?
Cheated on Chris with his brother.
Yeah.
It's one thing to cheat, but then
It wasn't just my friend. You my brother.
let's bring him out.
I'm tired of the lies. Me lying to you, her lying to you, you lying to her. I'm tired of it.
Why did you sleep with your brother's girlfriend?
Him sleeping with my wife.
Did you sleep with his wife?
Yeah.
So you Sorry.
Fuck you, mate.
Sorry.
Fuck you. What the fuck are you doing?
So I crashed.
What do you mean you crashed? I just hit my head
Sorry.
No, stay there. I'll call the police.
Okay.
Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere.
I'm not.
Don't go anywhere.
I'm not. I'm sitting on my
back.
back.
Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere.
Okay. Look, I'm getting off.
Is it bleeding?
No.
Yeah, don't go anywhere.
Okay, go on, get your phone.
Are you fucking blind? You can't see me.
I crashed.
You crashed? How are you coming fast? Why are you fucking coming fast? What is this fucking car? Why are you coming fast? I just hit, you hit me, and I just hit the car with my head. You understand what I'm saying?
Why is she white?
Say hi.
How are you supposed
When I was little, I was really, really bad. And my mom hit me so hard that all the black came off my skin.
He didn't never practice, but he can go up there and show all those big guys. Oh, what's the dude's name? He used to play for the Lakers. Sergio Savalas them. They used to play at Robinson. And Nick would just come in like a little kid and take the ball from him and do some crazy act and leave. He said, if that boy ever take it serious, he'd be great. But he was a clown then. That's true.
New York fucking city, home of mosquitoes, if you ask me. The Big Apple, the big fucking mosquito. They're fucking sucking me dry. I mean, come on, what the fuck do I do about this shit? Every fucking way. Excuse me, buddy, what do you think about the fucking mosquitoes here? What do you fucking think about?
Word to God, my soda key.
If you're not an Inlady Chopper fan, where are you? I am a menace. Keep it irregular like tennis.
So high. Oh.
Come on!
I began to pass out. Then my head hit the wall. Boom. But I had a praying grandmother.
Yeah! Woo! Woo! Yeah, boy, yeah! What?
Well executed, Captain.
Girl, get the almond milk. I just got up on 2% milk a couple years ago. No. Get the almond milk. Now y'all trying to conspiracy. No. And it's the question. Is it from the almond of the walnut? Is they squeezing it out of the peanut?
I don't have that answer, and I usually have every answer.
Wait, where my Lambo keys at?
Oh, you got Lambo? Oh, you got Lambo?
Okay, why you act brand new, gang?
Oh, yeah. Oh, your Lambo. Yeah,
wait.
Yeah, it's downstairs. Yeah, the key, the security guy. Yeah.
Oh,
Huh? Yo, hold on. Where's the Cybertruck? Let it rigged.
Huh? Listen. You're trying to play around, gang. That, gang. I never in that Cybertruck, bro. Why you keep playing with me, though?
Next week I'm going to Dubai.
You're joining the FBI?